There's one thing I can't turn down is a batch of strawberries. As I begin to look here, noticing that there are a lot of strawberries that are growing. They look really amazing. Some of them I let sit too long. Did a video before about not letting them sit in the ground. That way little bugs get to them. My dogs like to come and try to eat them directly out of the patch. I have to keep them back a little bit. But here's some beautiful strawberries. And you can just pull them and then they just come right off. So again, ooh, really great strawberries. I'm gonna use these for a salad. I mean, they look really great. Again, I like to keep them off of the ground because there are bugs that like to try to eat them, and they're very low. So they love the low-hanging fruit. And this is what I notice sometime if I do leave them. And of course there's things you can do, like put some salt down, some oils down to keep them from coming into your garden. But when you leave them that low and that easy for them to get to, that's what happens to them. And I just feed those to the dogs as well. Again, really beautiful strawberries. So that's the harvest for today.